day 3 of doing my Monkey Biz quest until I get to level 200. I'm on level 182 right now, and I'm gonna do a few of these quests. First quest that I'm going to do, oh shoot, is go swimming. The next quest that I'm going to do is climb into the crow's nest. Oh shoot. Just fell. The game is being glitchy right now. I climbed into the crow's nest and the game didn't count it, so I only got the go for a swim. But I am on level 183 now, and on day 4, I'm going to lock in and try to do all the quests. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!